Sub-Saharan Africa has the highest out-of-school population, 98 million children. And in this region, the number is rising. Of the 63 million out-of-school primary-age children, 34 million, more than half, live in Sub-Saharan Africa. 9 million girls between the ages of 6 and 11 will never go to school at all. Children living in extreme poverty are uneducated, vulnerable, and marginalized. Threats to their development are common. 35% of girls and 17% of boys have experienced sexual violence during childhood. Girls are at risk of child marriage, teenage pregnancy, and female genital mutilation. Child labor is prevalent in rural areas, with 93% of children engaged in hard agricultural works. With your support, re-engagement programs for out-of-school youth and elders can ensure everyone in the community is included in creating a brighter future.